Okay, let me revert the audio.そげるって言わんかったかな、なんかそんなこと。盗まらしてるのなんかそんなことちっちゃいとかそんなもうちょっと声がいいとか。Okay, so I was going to walk on the hilltop, but it's it's still dark, so I guess新しいところを開発するまでもなくパンクしてそこはね、でも行く必要のないところなんです。ここは草刈りされた後でもAlright, so I was going to walk on the hilltop, but I've changed my mind and I'm going to I am only going to oops, walk just just a bit in the back section. 96ですから。正月まで届かない。ソーラーパネルとの位置関係でね、その中短いです。コードが。だからそのパネルだけを引っ掛けるとかすればできるかもしれないです。もっといっぱいあったら綺麗なんですけどね。ね、木にいっぱいぶら下がってたらそう思うんですけど。僕どっかで見たことありますよね。その風景かな、桜がない時に。Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to let's see. Okay. Let's see. I always intended to disassemble this guy. Yeah, this was a beetle breeder, so I think I'll start doing that. Let's see. So. It's raining a bit. そうですよね。どれぐらい。あ、wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a second. What's going on here? It's a problem. A problem just surfaced. これね。Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to disassemble this. Oops. Okay, so I don't know where I should inside it. Let's see. So here we go. 正解。Wait a minute. Okay. Disassembling this. Maybe I should try to do it one piece at a time. Alright. And I need scissors. I need a pair of scissors.だけどね、自転車パンクしたの。一匹というか自転車パンクしたの。時間がもう木津川近くまで行っていたので、普賢寺川いいですね。普賢寺川。普賢寺川いいわな。Okay. So maybe you can't see what I'm doing. I'm trying to remove. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there is this panel on all four sides, you know, surrounding this old, now unused beetle breeder, and I'm trying to remove this this panel here, but it's stuck. Oh, okay, it's coming off. I don't know where I should. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, good, good, good. So I'm gonna oops. I'm gonna put it over there. Okay, one. It's much easier to do it, you know, while the sun is out. But I can do it. Okay, and here's the first. I call it a panel, but what it is that this was it's a sliding door used indoors. It used to be. Okay. And there is this panel. This is the west side, you know, on the west side. It's raining, by the way, it's drizzling. So many things are happening. Oh. Okay. Right.自転車パンクしてなんやねんって思う本当に。Okay, so one more, and that last one is this one here. So okay. Oh, good, good. So, okay. Now I've removed all 4 panels. Here's the 4th panel.でももっとたくさんあるんです。正月になってしまう。正月。Now I'd like to Mm. Let's see. Mm. Now I want to remove the frame. Okay. All right. It's off. It may not be easy to, it may not be easy to pull it out. Yeah. So okay. And good. At least one came off easily. Now how about two came off easily. All of them came off easily. Okay, so now I canイエイ施設に入ってるんでね。いやもういっぱいもらうというよりはあれですよ。正月やからその実績という言い方はおかしい。だんだんできてきたよ。見てください。上々It's cold. Okay. So this is broken. Okay. This is not gonna. It wasn't my intention. But come to think of it, this is not serving any purpose. It was okay. But my intention was not. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Or maybe I have an idea. I have an idea. Here we go. Lucky. Oops. Okay. My fingers are freezing. And do you know what? When I was trying to catch, those gold-colored crickets, the wind was so strong, but now there is no wind. Okay. Okay. Came off. Let's try the same trick. もっとたくさん。Okay, let's try the same trick. Okay. Oh. Oops. Ah! 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 父は眠りきてるんですね。歯を死んでしまって人眼でね、その息子が70歳だった。Okay, so I think I'm going to remove one more. Maybe a couple more sticks, forming the frame. Oh, maybe I'm done. I don't know. Is there any other? Yes, there's one more here. Oops, two more. Let's see. Okay. One rod came off and another. Okay, here we go. Two more rods in this corner joint, whatever you call it. What are they called? Are they called corner joints? I think I've removed the entire frame now. I think. Yes. So. If I. Scissors. Scissors, scissors. It's about time I should, it's a good time to quit, I think. But, I cannot remove the entire net until I remove the soil inside the net, but I'd like to I'd like to cut some straps. To make it easy tomorrow, or to make it easy to remove the net after. Oops, I need a trash bag. Okay. I just need to cut it at a few more. Places, so I can easily remove the net once the soil is gone. Some more cutting and I'll be just about done. If I cut some more, I can open up the okay. I can open up the net like so. I'll show you. There we go. Oops, not quite. Oh, not quite that easy. Let's see. What the heck is going on here? Ha 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 ha. It's harder than I thought. But okay, I need to do it in broad daylight. It's hard to see the detail, and hence it's hard to tell where I should. Let's see. Yeah, I'm having difficulty trying to figure out. Oops. Huh? Oh. I think I should try to do it when I can see what's happening. You know, I can see the entire picture, what's happening to the net and how they are connected better, more. Yeah, they are. I did this. We did this, but I no longer remember how it was done. Okay. Okay, so at least I removed the frame and the poles forming the frame, and also, as you can see over there, I removed all 4 panels surrounding this breeder. So I guess I'll leave it at that. Oh. I'm going to make it easier to walk through here. Okay. Mm. Okay. That's enough. That's enough for tonight. You can see the effect of removing the frame and removing the panel, eh? Especially since I removed the frame, it is now down on the ground. Okay. Oh well. So much for that.もっとあるんですけど来ない。あんなあるんですよ。やったんです。Wait a minute, wait a minute. All right. So. ささやかじゃない、そんなすごいゴールはなかったけど、小さいとかそのよりはもうちょっと、あ、このことが使えるんやと思ってちょっと安心してね。Okay. Okay. So, yeah, this is good. Given the little time I was given. Okay, let's quit. Let's call it quits. Let's go and check the bulletin board and the well-being of the bulletin board and一箇所でもね、試しにここまだいるかなとちょっと草刈りされたんで、多分今日とちゃうかな。同じような今日とされても。Okay. Let's go and check the well-being ofもっと長い100メートルのやつもあるのに、それは買ったので、それはですね、そこあったら僕にこの興味がですね持ってこようとしていた。別にいいですけど。Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's check the well-being of the bulletin board. Sawtooth oak trees. Oh yeah, the bulletin board is all right. Sawtooth oak trees are doing fine. Okay, great. Okay, let's go and check the ridge lines. Yeah, I just saw that 3-year-old girl looking out of the window again. The window's closed, so she only waved at me and she didn't say anything. But 3, I keep saying 3, but I guess she was 3 years old about a year ago, so maybe by now she's 4 or 5, 4 years old, perhaps. By the way, I haven't checked on the fish in this pond in a long time. I don't know. I don't see any. I refuse to believe they are all dead. It can't be. So they must be somewhere. Okay. So the ridgelines. It was an eventful day. Yeah. The ridgelines. Good. I can see the ridgelines, but maybe not for you. You know, if you're, through the lens of this video camera, maybe the ridgelines are not easy to spot. Anyway, I can see them with my eyes. It was an eventful day. First the rainfall, and then flat tire, and that's about it. And I needed to walk my bicycle all the way. Walking is not a problem. It's just a wasted time. You know, I was gonna catch many more gold card crickets, but I caught only one, and 3 boys are waiting for them. So I have to go again. By the way, if like some of our grad students, if you are watching, you know that you may be wondering why I'm not why I'm not going to that spot, right? To the south, from here. That's because some grad students are conducting research there, so I don't want to disturb their research, and affect the results of their research. That's why I don't go there and collect gold card crickets. I know I can get 30, 40 of them easily if I went there, but Okay, anyway, so I'm signing off. It's getting cold, and the year is ending today. This is December 31st. Tomorrow is the beginning of the first day of the year 2025. So I guess it was a good year for me, except for one operation I had to go through. The irregular heartbeat problem, but it was a productive year for me, and I'm one step closer to death. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Until next time. Bye.